winter season. Once upon a time, a little boy and a girl lived with their parents on the mountains. The boy and the girl played in the snow during winters. On Christmas Eve, their father made a snowman for them. The snowman was very big. His eyes were made of buttons. The nose was made of wood. The father put his old hat on his head, and an old muffler was put around his neck. Now the children played around the snowman every day. It seemed to be smiling at them. After some time, the season changed to summer. The sun shone bright in the sky and the snowman melted. The children were very sad. Their father said, "Nature keeps changing. We should learn to enjoy all its beautiful seasons. Winter will come again and we will make another snowman." The children understood this. They enjoyed all the other seasons as much as winter. Special Christmas. Once upon a time, a mariner was far away from home. It was winter and it snowed heavily. On Christmas Eve, he missed his family. He kept worrying about his family's health. Suddenly, he saw a bright flash of light. An angel appeared before him. She smiled at him, and he saw his sweet wife and mother at home busy with Christmas decorations. They looked content and healthy. Then the vision faded. The angel also disappeared. The mariner smiled and went off to sleep. In his home, his mother and wife also saw a light through the kitchen window. There stood an angel. Then they saw a picture. It was the mariner, sleeping and smiling as if dreaming. A letter was kept near his pillow. The next day, the wife received his letter. The angel had brought the family close. For them, the Christmas Eve had turned out to be very special. The Three Sisters. Once there were three sisters named Beth, Dina, and Jenny respectively. Beth was the oldest. She was very wise and mature for her age. She always knew what was best for her and for others. She took loving care of her sisters. Now, Christmas was around the corner. The three sisters wanted to give something to their mother for Christmas. "What should we give mother?" asked Dina. Beth kept thinking. She did not say anything. She was in deep thought. Lola asked, "Beth, what do you think? What should we give her?" Beth said, "I think mother once said she needed a new sewing machine." So the girls broke their piggy banks and bought a new sewing machine for their mother. Beth had its gift wrapped too and tied a ribbon around it. When they gave the gift to their mother, She had tears of happiness in her eyes. She was very proud of her daughters. First snow. It was winter time, so there was snow everywhere. The birds and the beasts were excited, for Christmas was on the way. But there was someone who had never seen snow before. It was a 5-month-old dear Dab. He had hardly seen the world. It seemed there was a white carpet everywhere. He ran inside to Mother and cried, "I cannot go out because there is a big white carpet over all the fields." Mother laughed and said, "It is just snow. Do not be afraid." Dab said, "Can't you come with me?" Mother said, "I have to work in the house. Ask your friend." So Dab put on his woolly coat, scarf, and shoes. Then he went to his friend's house. Both had a wonderful time in the snow. First, they had great fun with a snowball fight. Then, they built a snowman. It was very big. The snow did not frighten Dab anymore.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.